Today we're going to look at entering the code, the anti-theft code, for a 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL. Now, if your battery ever goes dead, or if someone were to try to remove your stereo system, what would happen is, in order for them to enable it again, they would have to, if it was inserted in another vehicle, they would have to enter a code. Honda does this to prevent people from stealing the audio unit. So we're going to show you how to go ahead and enter that code. You should, Honda provides you with a card that has the identification number on it. Now, when you go ahead and put the code in, you're going to use these numbers. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And when I enter the first number, which you'll see what it does to the display, it puts a C up. Okay, the next number is a, then you've got a CO, then the next number is a, and then you've got CODE, and then the last two numbers are, and you can see, now we have our stereo back. I hope this helped you out. Please subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks so much and have a great day.